the time, right? So what can I do to change it? What can you do? I want to read my Bible more. What can I do? Okay. I can, oh, here's a good one. I can go to Bible study. I can join a study group. And that could be online. You can listen to sermons on YouTube, Facebook. Um, so those are some things that you can do. You can have, I'm gonna add one more. You can have a family Bible study group. You can do that. Who can I get to help me? Your spouse definitely can. Well, actually, all of these people, my spouse, best friend, a support group. I'm gonna put YouTube slash Facebook. Your pastor, your children, if you have your mentor, your counselor can be an encourager for you. Like if you meet you with a counselor already, and they could help to hold you accountable. And by the way, accountability of you studying your Bible don't lie with your best friend. You shouldn't be seeking your best friend for accountability. You shouldn't be seeking your husband for accountability. But a person you can seek for accountability is your pastor, your Bible study teacher, um, and yourself, right? Now, how are they going to help you? Oh, you can study together. You study together. When? Sundays, Wednesdays. You can do daily. You can do daily little devotionals with your best friend. Um, oh, that's where. How well? I got those two. So let's see that. Where? Church, online, in home. These are all places. This is the where. When? Sunday, Wednesday, daily. Um, just how often you want to do it. Why? Why do I want to study my Bible more? For peace, strength, spiritual strength, just abbreviating. To get closer to God, a closer relationship with God. Have your family get close to God. And you may want to increase your Bible study because you want to break strongholds in your life. To break strongholds. And so what this playbook is about is moving from problem talk to solution talk. Problem talk to solution talk. And when you do that and you begin to create just the mere fact that you're doing this increases your confidence and your ability to accomplish other goals in your life. So here you are. That's how you create your personal playbook. Thank you guys for watching.